Are you aware that you could be consuming up to 200 pieces of microplastics each week as a result of takeout and ordering in food? Microplastics are very tiny pieces of plastics that pollute the environment. They are small fragments of plastics that are less than 5 millimeters in length. One study published in the Journal of Hazardous Material, aimed at analyzing how much microplastics are released when different takeout containers are subjected to different conditions such as rinsing, scrubbing and boiling, found that fragments of microplastics fell from the containers. The containers that released the largest amounts of microplastics were containers made of polystyrene with rough surfaces. The study concluded that people who order takeout 4 to 7 times a week will probably ingest 12 to 203 pieces of microplastics in a week. Ingestion of microplastics has been linked to certain health complications such as fertility, nerve damage, and higher cancer risk and hormonal imbalances. Let's look at some items in your home that could be posing these risks to your health. 1. Nonstick pans. If you are a stay-home mom or love to cook, you know that nonstick pans are one of the greatest inventions of the kitchen. They make work and cooking so much easier. However, heating nonstick pans in temperatures higher than 500 degrees Fahrenheit, 260 degrees Celsius, releases toxins that can make you sick. Damaged and scratched nonstick pans release more toxins even at lower temperature. It is recommended that you change your nonstick pans after every 2 years or when you notice too many scratches on them. 2. Microwaving food in plastic containers. Some plastic containers come with a label stating that they are microwave safe. This only simply means that it will not melt when exposed to the high microwave temperatures. Microwaving your food in plastic containers has been associated with increased chemical leaks into the food. Foods such as meat, cheese and other fatty foods have the highest chemical absorption rate when microwaved in plastic containers. Research on the amounts of plastics that leach into the food is still lacking, and it is therefore recommended that you avoid microwaving your food in plastic containers entirely. 3. Plastic food containers. Some containers used to store food and drinks contain a chemical known as bisphenol A or BPA. This chemical has gathered a lot of attention in past years after studies linked it to reproductive complications, heart disease, cancer, obesity among other health complications. This chemical is used in the manufacture of plastic food storage containers, but it is being slowly phased out following the health concerns. The chemical can leach into your food and drinks stored in this plastic containers, posing serious health issues. The next time you go shopping for storage containers, make sure to select those with BPA-free mark on them. 4. Plastic containers and utensils in the dishwasher. Putting plastic utensils in the dishwasher subjects them to high heat, which according to the American Academy of Pediatrics, can transfer chemicals to your food the next time you use the dishes. If you cannot hand wash your plastic containers, try replacing them with ceramics or glass for the sake of your health and that of your family. 5. Dust your house often. Not all plastic is ingested by mouth. You can also inhale microplastics that settle with dust or linger in the air. Such chemicals are phthalate and flame retardants. Vacuuming and dusting your house often can reduce exposure to these harmful chemicals. Even with these diligent efforts, we cannot totally eliminate our exposure to plastics and harmful chemicals. Changes need to be made in the manufacturing industry and also making healthy choices that make our bodies strong to fight diseases that could be caused by these harmful substances. Let us know what your thoughts are around the controversial topic on plastics in the comment section below. Also feel free to hit the subscribe button and notification bell to get notified each time we upload a new video.